Hey y'all, it's Mr. Morrison again. This is just a continuation of yesterday with our multiplication as resizing. So remember, if we're looking for is the number going to be less than 1, then the answer is going to be less. If it's equal to 1, it's going to stay the same and it's going to be equal to. And if the number we're multiplying by is more than 1, then the number actually gets larger or becomes greater than. So let's look. I'm not going to bring up my whiteboard because we did that yesterday, but we can look at it together. So we're looking at 3 3/5 times 2 1/2. Is that going to be more or less than 3 3/5? Well, we're going to take these two out, and now we're looking at 2 1/2. Now I'm going to ask you this. Is 2 1/2 more or less than 1? It's more, right? Yeah, because 2 is more than 1. 2 is more than 1, for real. So, okay, so the answer is greater than. So, because this number right here is larger than 1, and if it's larger than 1, boom, the answer has to be greater. So the correct answer is D. Let's check it out. Boom, we got the right answer, y'all. We got the right answer. We are wizards, and I'm expecting 10s out of 10s today. If you got a 9 out of 10 yesterday, it's okay. Today's the day to get a 10 out of 10. Let's check this out. So 5 1/8. Okay, that's in 5/3. 5/3. Okay. So we got 5 1/8 and 5 1/8. So we're looking at the 5/3. Okay. Let's look at that. Is 5/3 more or less than 1? You think it's less because it's a fraction? Y'all, do we need to draw it? We do. Oh, hey, all right. We'll draw it. Hey, you don't know if 5/3 is more or less than 1. Well, remember, Mr. Morrison, Miss Dyer, Miss Mo are here to help y'all. And you can watch this video as many times because I know I'm adorable with this flower in my hair. So we got 5/3. So that means I got to draw. That's 1/3. You're like, Mr. Morrison, we can't even see your board. I'm just happy I'm not on mute. So we got 3/3 right there. So that's one whole. We got to draw another one. And that leaves us 5/3. So that's more than 1. So guess what? The answer is going to be B. It's more than 1 or greater than 1. More and greater. They're synonymous with each other. So guess what? More than. So B. The answer is B. Let's check it out. Gotta push my flower back in. It's a dry erase marker pen. It's pretty. I'll teach you how to do one next week. If y'all get a 10 out of 10, I'll be like, hey, who wants to learn how to make a flower pen? And you're like, but Mr. Morrison, we don't got all that stuff. I'm like, hey, you guys can just come to crafting with Mr. Morrison. All right, let's check this out. So last one we're going to do together. All right, 4 2/3 times 1/2. Okay. Is that going to be more or less than 4 2/3? So again, cancel out that 4 2/3 because I'm focusing on 1/2. Now you got to ask yourself, 1/2. Is that more, less, or equal to 1? So 1 out of 2. What you think? It's more? It's less? Is equal to? You choose. Which one are you thinking? I'll wait. Yes, it's less than 1. Thank you. Because you're like, Mr. Morrison, if it was 1, it'd be 2 out of 2. And if it's more than 1, it'd be like 3 over 2. And I'm like, true that? So it's less than 1. So what's our answer going to be? It's going to be C because it's going to be less than, because again, it's not 4 2/3. Those are the same on both sides. So since it's 1/2, it's going to be less than 4 2/3. So the correct answer is C. Let's check it out. Boom, we got it. So again, I'm hoping everyone gets a 10 out of 10 today. I know it's a little bit more difficult today because yesterday we didn't do mixed numbers, but I know you guys are the champions and you can watch this video as many times as you want. Again, you can reach out to Miss Dyer, Mr. Morrison, or Miss Mo. We're all here to help and we would be glad to help you. So again, reach out to us. We love you. Again, hope to hear from you soon.